Thutha wa thirikari kwambika mbara ya kuhurana na ndawa cia kurebia na kung'ethanira na aria makoretwo magitwarithia na mbere thuguri no, kuri na andu mandikithitie cira igoti-ini makiregana na kuhingwo kwa biacara ciao. Akiaria mwena wa Gicugu kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga hindi ya mucemanio wa guthomithia aikari ciĩgiĩ ũgwati wa ndawa icio, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Mary Muthoni oigite matiraregeria mbara ya kuhukia ndawa icio.
That we will continue enforcing the law with the sale, manufacture and advertisement of all nicotine and tobacco related products.
Muthoni oigite kuri na andu marananga miturire ya mbeu njithi na muoroto wa kwiguna wene.
Sure that you think about the public good first before you think about making that one coin. Think about the many people who are dying of cancer because of you. Think about the many children who have dropped out of school because of you.
Mubango-ini wa kugacirithia utungata wa ugima wa mwiri mathibitari-ini, Muthoni nieranire guthundurwo kwa mutaratara wa watho uria ukuiganania motungata mathibitari-ini ma muingi o undu umwe na ma andu kiumbe na gutigirira muingi ni uratungatirwo na njira igwete.
Has introduced enforceable mechanisms for patient complaints and redress, ensuring transparency and responsiveness and healthcare delivery.
Muthoni hamwe noguo oigite muoroto wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni kugacirithia utungata wa ugima wa mwiri kuri muingi, guku akimahinyiriria kwiyandikithia mubango-ini wa SHA.
We would want to reduce issues of deaths and especially for young infants. When a mother comes to a facility, they do not come there when they are sick. But we do not want to get her out of that facility as a corpse.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.